Hi, my name is Kevin Flowers. I'm the pastor of Alamo Community Church and also a customer of HVAC Depot. We've been working with Jose and his team for about a year and a half now. My family and I subscribe to the HVAC Depot Plus service, where we get a visit every 90 days for them to come and check our AC units, change out the filters. They drain our water heater, check our water softener, all those routine maintenance kinds of things. And for our church at large, HVAC Depot services all of our HVAC needs.